Exploring assets from the visual novel Clannad and found G00 image files. This is the proprietary image format used by Key VisualArts. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to view these Clannad picture image files. Consider this essential for your toolkit, a single program that can open hundreds of formats, including a partially broken G00. My top choices here, and we'll discuss more later.
G00.
Files are picture image files used by Key Visual Novel games, including Clannad Air and Kanon, developed by Key VisualArts. They store character sprites, background images, and event scenes in a proprietary compressed format optimized for visual novel rendering, and the RealLive engine that powers Key's classic visual novel titles.
G00.
Image files use a Key-defined proprietary format with multiple variants supporting index color, full color, and tiled image data. The format includes a header indicating the image type dimensions and color information, followed by compressed pixel data that the RealLive engine decodes for in-game display. The best utility for reliable viewing of G00 is known to be Clannad by Key Technology Inc. Full file extraction and decompression must be managed by a third-party utility. Windows offers built-in viewing for many formats, but editing depth depends on graphics applications. To open this specific format, right-click your G00 file and select Open With. If Clannad is available, use that first. If it's missing, choose another program. Don't worry if it takes a few attempts to find the key. If your G00 file still refuses to open, stay calm. It simply means we can't rely on the initial software anymore. I need you to take these 3 direct actions to effectively isolate the file error. First, converting with RLDV tools. Use RLDV or similar Key Visual Novel modding tools that include G00 to PNG converters. Run the appropriate converter on the G00 file, producing a viewable PNG image. RLDev is widely used in the visual novel translation community for accessing key game assets, including the G00 image format. Next, using SiglusEngine tools. For newer key games, using SiglusEngine, try the matching extraction tools that handle modern G00 variants. Tools like Extractor or specific SiglusEngine extractors convert G00 to PNG or BMP, enabling direct viewing in standard image viewers without requiring the original visual novel runtime. Finally, visual novel asset browsers. Use visual novel asset browsing tools such as Crass, which support multiple visual novel image formats, including G00. The browser displays G00 images directly and allows batch export to standard image formats. These tools simplify exploration of visual novel assets for translation, modding, or research purposes. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagick is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagick. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.